Hey y'all, I am going to do another quick haul. So I've been doing some purse shopping lately. As you can see, this dress, which I should do probably a dress haul. I've been getting a couple of dresses too. But for this dress color, I got this purse. It's a Brahmin. And as you can see, it's kind of shiny, so you can see kind of like a hologram look about it. But that's because these lights, you know what, let me get these off because they reflect. But I wish I had gone up a little bigger, but you can see it's just, it doesn't match perfectly, but it looks really good with it. And also something like this, you know, that's a little bit loud. You can always just wear this with like a white shirt and black jeans or black slacks or black skirt, or white shirt and blue jeans. I can hear my husband coming downstairs. Anyway, I also had this flaunt phone case, which is kind of like, let me get these up close. Again, these are just really kind of, they are loud, they're kind of fussy, but I just feel like this goes. I don't know, I fell in love with it. Also got the little matching wallet. For a little purse, a little wallet. This, of course, can be carried in many of my kind of pinkish purses. So anyway, I do love it. It's crammed full of stuff. If you're interested and want me to do what's in my purse video, comment below. Do what's in my purse video. Along with that, I also got, I returned that Cali in the Tangsi, T-A-N-G-S-I color. Because I just thought it wasn't worth the expense for that particular color, for that handbag. But I really did like the color, and I'll be honest, it is stupid, but I did like that it comes with its own specialty dust bag that's in a pink. No other bag in their, no other color in their line has ever gotten its own special color dust bag. I mean, I just think that's so unusual. Why? But I love it because y'all know me. What's my favorite color? Magenta. And this could just go with anything too. I mean, really, I wouldn't call it a neutral. It's obviously not a neutral. This is just a wristlet. Matter of fact, the name of this, just so y'all know, I'll link everything below, but this is called the Daisy. Empower Tangsi. T-A-N-G-S-I. Tangsi? Am I saying something wrong with that? But anyway, Empower Tangsi. And this was $125. It's got just a little pocket inside, and then it's open. And then the other thing that I went ahead and got at all the same time, that purse, its wallet, this wristlet, and then I went back and got this little mini wallet to go with the Songbird purse, which some of y'all have already seen this in another haul video, but I really love this. And this, again, these are kind of loud purses, meaning there's so much pattern or color or whatever it is to them that you got to really watch what you wear it with. But this, to me, really could go with just about anything. Yellows, red, oranges, a pair of blue jeans, and a tank top. I mean, or just, I don't know, just so many things. But I fell in love with this particular one because it best displays the bird. And you can see the bird there. And I think there's one more bird. Yeah, there. So you see there, there, and there. And there, 4. The other one that I got, you couldn't see one at all. And I remember it was the wallet, the big wide wallet. Now, I was going to experiment with that. I got this little one. Again, there is no bird that you can see on it. But it's okay because I still want it to have for this. I remember this also came with the wider shoulder strap. And I did, and then I have this, I think this is Caseify. It's just a pretty clear with that same color blue and almost a creamy color background. You'll have to kind of see it up close. It's a butterfly. So I just, sometimes when I know it just goes so well with that, I'll put it in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put this little wallet. It's just a card case holder. It does have a zip around. And I really did want to go ahead and match this up this time. So anyway, that was my haul to get those two. This is, by the way, a Caroline is the name of this one. And it's little wallet. And then this, I forgot what this is called, y'all, but it'll be in here. Hold on. I've learned to keep The, I've learned to keep the, I say that and I don't see it now. Where is it? There it is. I feel it. I've learned to keep the piece with it. Is this it? I just dropped it. Hold on. Hold on. Or is it this? It's this. That's what I keep. Okay, so this is the candy. And the color is Coral Snapdragon Loki Lani. So I guess it's supposed to look Hawaiian. It would be perfect. Again, there's a lot of things you could wear with this. This is not a neutral. This is more of a, I call it a loud purse, meaning you gotta watch what you wear it with. But anyway, this is the where it tells you to that you don't need to register your handbag, but valid proof of purchase will be required to initiate a repair. And that's what this is. So I keep it with the bag. I have learned this the hard way, that sometimes you could lose it. I had a receipt file and I lost it, and it was like, okay, well, you lost the one thing that could have shown you that it was legit. So also I noticed this has its own little special charms, 2 little charms. That's not their norm either. And it's got a double length. You can undo this and make this a crossbody, which I would not do because I'm too short. So, and honestly, so far I have not even worn this as a shoulder strap. I've been carrying it just by my side or on the cups of my arm, just because it's perfect with this dress. So anyway, that's that one, and then I'm going to do one more, and I'll be kind of hauled out